This is Mandarin Chinese class, lesson 22.
Our first word is 要
This is the verb going to need, or to want. The pinyin is yao and it's the fourth tone.
We already know 想 can mean to want as well as would like. 要 is a bit stronger, so often to differentiate them, 要 is translated as to want and 想 as would like. Despite being stronger, it's not necessarily nude to use 要. So far, every time we have used 想 to mean to want or would like with a noun, we needed a verb after it. When there isn't a verb, it means to miss. When 要 is used with a noun, it doesn't need a verb after it. In addition, 要 can mean going to or to need, so its meaning depends very much on context. Our first translation. 今天我要去医院。今天我要去医院。
I am going to go to the hospital today. Or, I need to go to the hospital today. Or, I want to go to the hospital today.
We could use other words instead of 要 to make the meaning cleaner. For example, 会 for going to, or 想 for to want.
Our second translation. Do you also want a cup of tea?
你也要一杯茶吗？你也要一杯茶吗？ In this sentence, we couldn't have used 想 instead of 要, as there is a noun after it, not a verb. Next, we have 四
This is the number 4. The pinyin is si and it's the fourth tone.
Our third translation. 我和我男朋友喜欢4月的天气。我和我男朋友喜欢4月的天气。
My boyfriend and I like the weather in April. Our fourth translation. They didn't study Chinese on Thursday.
星期四他们没有学汉语。星期四他们没有学汉语。Next, we have 买
This is the verb to buy. The pinyin is mai and it's the third tone.
Our fifth translation. 你会去北京买什么？你会去北京买什么？
What will you go to Beijing to buy? Our sixth translation. How much water would you like to buy?
你想买多少水？你想买多少水？ Next, we have 书
This is the noun book. The pinyin is shu and it's the first tone.
Finally, we have 本
This is the classifier for books. The pinyin is ben and it's the third tone.
Our seventh translation. 写书很难。写书很难。
Writing books is very hard. Our eighth and final translation. I need to buy a book to learn English.
我要买一本书学英文。我要买一本书学英文。我要买一本学英文的书。我要买一本学英文的书。In the first sentence, the first verb, buying the book, is done with the intention of doing the second verb, learning English. So it's not clear what a book is about or what language it's in. In the second sentence, because we use the 学英文的 to modify the book, it is clear the book teaches English.
That's all for this lesson. If you have any questions or want to try your own sentences using the vocabulary we've covered so far, leave a comment below. See you next time.
See you.